Catherine Bernardo update. Yung congrats kay Catherine. Yung wagi siya sa Panata Awards 2025 bilang People's Choice Awards Favorite Celebrity Endorser of 2025. Yung Gatorade No Sugar. Yung congrats kay Catherine. Saka ito pa yung behind the scene ni Catherine sa Christmas Station ID ng ABS-CBN. Love, Joy, Hope. Yan, sabay tayo ngayong Pasko. Yan pang reaction ng Bini na makita si Catherine. Yun o. Yung mapapanood na yun sa social media ng ABS-CBN. Love, Joy, Hope. Yan. Christmas Station ID 2025. Yan pa isa sa mga inabangan dyan si Catherine. Yan, Asian Superstar Catherine Bernardo. Siya pang ni Catherine saka itong nasa post ni Jason may picture siya with Catherine. Sabi niya, one and only queen and I love you so much, you know. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more updates. This is Richard Reaction Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.